was some of the red car. Give them some of that black too, wherever they'd like. Back at Precision Transmission, we got the Dirty Bird back in the house. She is kind of in one piece. I mean, she's still running really good. We had some technical difficulties. We had a hatch blow off the car. We don't know how it happened, but I don't think this man's very happy. What do you think, sir?
Not very happy at all because I know how it happened.
Yeah.
But anyway, car's been down the track 3 times. On the second time, about 140 miles an hour, the deckman decided to leave on top end. We get the car back. We noticed that the 2 pieces of the deck lid ain't even glued together. These are 2-piece hatches. This is the bolt-on unit. You just put the hinges on, bolt it on. It clips right back to the normal spot, just like normal.
That was still bolted to our car.
That was still bolted to the car. But if you get over here, this is the hatch. This is the pieces of the hatch that left the top part of the car just basically come off the bottom. These pieces weren't ever glued on. If you look where this piece was, you can see here there was nothing, no glue at all. You get over here, all the glue that they have didn't even touch the panel. You can see it here, you can see it all through here. The glue never touched the panel.
You can see where it did.
Yeah, you can see where it did and then where it didn't. Now if you look here too, the same way with this piece here. Now you got to remember, this is where it latches to the top of the car. You can see here, there's just no glue at all, none. You see here, the glue never even touched. Never even touched. You set that on there and you wonder why it's not even glued to the car. If you come over here to this side's the same way. All the way around, the glue never touched. Never touched the deck lid. Never touched the deck lid. If you get over here, same way. It just didn't grab. It just didn't seal it. So I don't want to mention any names until I see what's going to happen with this thing. We're very disappointed in it. I mean, this is a beautiful car. We spend our hard-earned money on getting these things going. We can't afford to do them, but we do them anyway for people. So hopefully they'll do something about this and we get this car back together. Come by and see us.